Hello, I'm Chris Trench, Senior Product Engineer with Ashworth. Ashworth is a leading global conveyor belt company that manufactures and services both metal and plastic belting for straight running, turn curve, low tension, and other spirals. Our specialty is customized quality belting solutions and beyond. At Ashworth, your challenge is our priority. I look forward to seeing you in Dusseldorf, Germany at IBA, the world's leading trade fair for the baking and confectionery industry, along with other Ashworth team members from engineering, sales, and customer service. Our stand will feature a vast line of metal belt as well as our newest plastic belt line. We'll also be showcasing our latest smart technology innovations for both spirals and ovens. I personally invite you to take part in our smart technology demos that take the guesswork out of maintenance. Join us at IBA 2025, Hall 11, Stand A11. Meet our experts, participate in our demos, and witness our innovation firsthand so that together we can provide you with a simplified solution to help your business succeed and keep your business moving forward.